Hello.
What's that for? What's that for? Christy.
Is that for me?
I think it might be for me, Daddy. Gracie? What's that? What's this? Okay. What is it?
I'll take the red bag off first. See. It's Happy Christmas, coo coo coo. Whose is that? Is that Daddy's?
Yeah, put me in it, Mummy.
Is that Daddy's?
Is this yours? It's got your Christmas bow there.
Who's this from? Who's this from? Is it from Hobbs?
I know how this goes, she said.
Give her Gracie, go, give us a smile. Go. Give her. We're going to do some miles in that.
Mummy and Daddy are going to do some miles in this. Hang on. Oops.
Go. Gracie! Wee
Sorry,
wee!
sorry.
Wee wee!
Whee! You want Kushti? You want to pick up Kushti? There's Kushti.
You put him in the front.
Put him in your basket, Boo-Boo.
Oh, Mum, we're going to love that.
Whee!
Gracie, hooray!
Wave at Daddy. Hi, Daddy.
Gracie, give us a wave.
Hi, Daddy. Yay!
And another one. Give us another wave. Say hello to everyone. Hello. How big is she?
So big.
How big is she?
She's got that face on her. I don't do that anymore, Daddy. I'm grown up.
Say hello.
Hello, everyone.
Hello. I've got a nice close up.
Hello.
Hello. What do you think of your bike? It's cool, Dad. Oh, I'm trying to use my feet. Just trying to move it with the feet. Oh, clever girl.
Look, Kushti can sit here. Look. There's Kushti.
Sitting in the front.
Yeah. That's good, isn't it? Whee! Yeah, you put him in.
Good girl.
Is that fun?
What do we think?